Hey there gamers, are you struggling with your Wii Remote Nunchuck not working on Dolphin? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users find themselves in this exact scenario. In this guide, we'll dive deep into how to fix the Wii Remote Nunchuck not working on Dolphin, ensuring you can get back to your favorite games without a hitch. Let's explore these steps to solve this frustrating problem together. Step 1. Check your connection. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the basics. Make sure your Wii Remote and Nunchuck are securely connected. Detach the Nunchuck from the Wii Remote and reattach it firmly. Double check the sync process between your Wii Remote and the PC to ensure there's no miscommunication. If it's a wireless connection, confirm your Bluetooth settings are configured correctly and the devices are paired. Step 2. Update Dolphin Emulator. A frequently overlooked fix is ensuring your Dolphin Emulator is up to date. Outdated software might lack essential features or patches. Visit the official Dolphin website, download the latest version, and install it on your system. Updated versions often come with bug fixes and improved compatibility with hardware, which could resolve the issue of the Wii Remote Nunchuck not working on Dolphin. Step 3. Configure controller settings. Take a closer look at the controller configurations in the Dolphin emulator. Open Dolphin and head to the controller settings. Select the Wii Remote option and carefully configure it according to your setup. Ensure that the Nunchuck option is enabled if you're using an emulated Wii Remote. This step is crucial as incorrect settings could result in an unresponsive Nunchuck. Step 4. Test and replace hardware. If issues persist, it's time to test your hardware. Try using your Nunchuck with a different game or system if available to confirm it's functioning correctly. Alternatively, borrow another Nunchuck to test with your setup, as the issue might stem from faulty hardware. If the new Nunchuck works, consider replacing your original one. Step 5. Seek community assistance. If you're still having trouble, turn to the Dolphin community for help. Online forums, threads, or Reddit communities can be a goldmine of information and user experience. Fellow gamers might have faced similar challenges and could provide unique insights or workarounds to fix the Wii Remote Nunchuck not working on Dolphin. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to fix the Wii Remote Nunchuck not working on Dolphin. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to tackle this common gaming issue. Start by examining your connection, updating your Dolphin emulator, configuring your controller settings, testing your hardware, and don't hesitate to seek help from the vibrant Dolphin community. Whether you're diving into nostalgic favorites or exploring new gaming worlds, ensuring your equipment functions smoothly is crucial. Remember, persistence is key, and with a little effort, you'll be back in the game in no time. Happy gaming.